My dear friends, welcome to ArtMagic.
Hello friends. Let's get started. Today, we're going to draw an adorable monkey. I'm aware that you're excited to see how I draw a monkey so that you can learn too. Do you know anything about this animal? What they do, what they eat, how they live? Let me share some information about monkeys. Monkeys are commonly found animals, primarily residing in trees and occasionally descending to the ground for food. They're recognized by their furry bodies, long legs and hands, and a tail used for grasping or holding objects. It's said that human beings have evolved from monkeys. We're almost finished drawing the monkey, and now it's time to begin coloring. Do you enjoy learning how to draw a monkey? As always, I'm eager to add color. Speaking of their diet, monkeys eat fruits, leaves, seeds, nuts, flowers, vegetables, and insects. But most notably, they seem to have a strong fondness for bananas. Just like when I previously taught you how to draw a banana. In case you've forgotten, give it a try again. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. Look, it appears as if the monkey is moving and having fun with the coloring process. I truly enjoy drawing and coloring with you. Do you enjoy it as much as I do?
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.